Equation of a straight line. Gradient. Gradient is a measure of slope or steepness of an incline. Gradient is vertical distance over horizontal distance. Consider a line on a Cartesian plane. Considering line A and taking any point, say Q, 3, 6. The gradient is 6 over 3, which is 2. Taking any 2 points, say P and Q, we can take the change in the distance, that is, gradient is 6 minus 2 over 3 minus 1, giving us 2. For a line passing through the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2, gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Generally, gradient is change in y over change in x. The gradient of line B is equal to 3 minus 1 over 6 minus 2, giving us 2 over 4, which is a half. Note that a large gradient indicates a steep slope. Using the formula above, gradient of x-axis is 0. The gradient of y-axis is undefined, that is infinite. Equation of a straight line. In Form 1, we saw the equations of the form y is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3x, and call them equations of straight lines. How do we obtain equations of straight lines? We can get the equation of a straight line if we have any of the following. 1. The gradient and a point on the line, and B, 2 points on the line. In the first case, if we have the gradient and a point, for example, give the equation of a straight line passing through the point 3, 2 and with gradient 2. In our solution, gradient is change in y over change in x. Taking any other point on the line and giving it arbitrary coordinates x, y, gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Therefore, we can have y minus 2 over x minus 3 is equal to 2. If we do cross multiplication, we'll end up with the equation as y is equal to 2x minus 4. For example, a straight line through coordinates 4 minus 3 with gradient 1 over 5 will be y minus 3 over x minus 4 is equal to 1 over 5 with cross multiplication, and we have y is equal to 1 over 5x plus 11 over 5. In the second case, if we have 2 points on the line, if we already have 2 points, it means we can obtain the gradient. That is, gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We then take an arbitrary point xy on the line and proceed as before. For example, a line passing through A, 2, 3 and B, 5, 9. Gradient is 9 minus 3 over 5 minus 2, giving us 2. Taking a point, say C, with coordinates x, y, together with A or B, we have y minus 3 over x minus 2 is equal to 2, and we cross multiply and end with y is equal to 2x minus 1. Also, if we took B, we would have y minus 9, x minus 5. We do cross multiplication and we shall end up with the same equation. Y is equal to 2x minus 1. It doesn't matter which points A or B you take. Another example, a line passing through the point 3, minus 6 and 5, 7. Gradient is 7 minus 6 over 5 minus 3, giving us 13 over 2. Y minus 7 over x minus 5 is equal to 13 over 2. Cross multiplication, and the answer is y is equal to 13 over 2x minus 23. General equation of a straight line. The general equation of a straight line is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Consider the line passing through the points A, 2, 3 and B, 5, 9. The gradient is 9 minus 3 over 5 minus 2, giving us 2. The equation of the line is y is equal to 2x minus 1. Relate the equation y is equal to 2x minus 1 and y is equal to mx plus c. The gradient of our line is indeed 2. Now check the point of intersection with y-axis. It is negative 1, which in our equation y is equal to 2x minus 1 corresponds to c in the general equation y is equal to mx plus c. The convention is true for all lines. Parallel and perpendicular lines. Consider the lines below. Line PQ and RS are parallel. PQ passes through the points A, 2, 1 and B, 4, 2. RS passes through the points C, 2, 3 and D, 6, 5. Gradient of PQ is equal to 2 minus 1 over 4 minus 2, which is 1 over 2. Gradient RS is equal to 5 minus 3 over 6 minus 2, which is equal to 2 over 4, which is equal to a half. The two lines have equal gradient. Generally, parallel lines have the same gradient. Now consider the line below. Lines A, B and CD are perpendicular. Gradient AB is 7 minus 1 over 8 minus 2, which is 1. Gradient CD is 6 minus 1 over 3 minus 8, which is minus 1. Gradient AB times gradient CD is equal to 1 times minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Two lines are perpendicular if the product of their gradients is minus 1. For example, if line 1 and line 2 are perpendicular to each other, gradient 1 times gradient 2 is equal to minus 1. That is, if gradient 1 is 1 over 3, then gradient 2 is minus 3. If gradient 1 is minus 2 over 3, then gradient 2 is 3 over 2.
When thinking about your career and wondering what to study to equip yourself for the working world, MSc is the college to help you make this decision. We have 23 campuses nationwide and a wide range of aligned and accredited programs to choose from. Best of all, easy payment terms and flexible class times. MSc College is your ticket to a better life. Call 0860 672 265 or visit msccollege.co.za.